This video shows a dermatologist cleaning a large blackhead on his patient's face. With skill and sterile tools, the doctor prepares the area around the blackhead. Before starting the cleaning process, the doctor then gently presses the skin around the blackhead, ensuring that all dirt embedded in the pore is completely removed. Each step is carried out with great care to avoid damage to the patient's skin. After the blackheads have been successfully removed, the skin looks cleaner and more relieved. This video illustrates how important proper skin care by a medical professional is.